Hey guys, welcome back to Almond Bird's Life, and today I'm going to be learning how to make grilled cheese because I don't know how.
She's pretty smart though, she'll get it. Okay, so first, you're going to, did you butter one side of your bread? Hey, nose down. This is a dog that we thought we were going to keep and now we don't get to keep him.
Yeah, like his name, we named him Sid, but his actual name is Avic, and his owner's like,
Avic. Avic.
His owner's coming to get him right now.
No, you don't put your cheese on yet. Hey.
Hey. Yes, I do.
Did you butter the other side?
No, I could just put it together and then. I had some money. I didn't need that many. So,
Avic, no.
Enough. He thinks he's getting more cheese because I gave him some.
Okay, so now butter the outside. Yeah. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to put the oven on about medium high. The frying pan.
Medium high.
The bird.
Oh yeah, we haven't uploaded in a very long time.
No, we haven't.
We're still trying to find...
Right to the edge.
We're still...
Okay, let the pan heat a little bit.
We are still trying to find our candy video that we made. We made a candy video.
It was awesome.
It was an awesome video. And Alma actually cut her hair in it.
Yeah, I was thinking about it the other day because I'd cut my hair. I'd cut a big chunk off.
Yeah, she cut a big chunk of her hair.
I did because it was in the way.
Okay, so
so now you got to put it buttered side down. Can you see yourself?
Yeah.
I'm buttered side down.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, you build
got it
on it.
Yeah.
Excuse me, can you get off?
I had to shoot the ground and hit the deer in the neck. Well, you should have.
You're still talking about that deer?
They're bugging him because of his shooting. Okay, now butter the other side, yeah. And now you can get some more butter.
Not finished, but melted.
No, don't have to go fast. It's okay.
I don't want it to cook too quick.
It won't.
You're right, that shape that everyone was making fun of you for when I was at Canadian Tire, they were like, that's that shape, like they want to drop these on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how they're mounted. That's how they're mounted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you were making fun of him for his
No, everyone else was.
I was.
Oh, really?
There. Okay, so now you have to get a flipper. I'm not good at for some reason today, just can't seem to get my stuff together here.
Okay, why don't you just... Okay, yeah.
There. Okay.
Well, yeah, why wouldn't it be?
Is it like...
See, you can... No. No, see? It's got to be browned.
Ew, you lick
Hey,
butter.
video's on, no swearing.
They swear a lot.
Fuck! And that was Bird's dad and uncle.
No.
Yes, it
That
was.
was Uncle.
And it was your dad.
And you flash up.
That was a double whammy. We're both guilty.
Dogs can't see that. No, they can't. I always do that with Ellie. She can't see it. Okay. I was gonna have chocolate milk, but...
We're out of chocolate syrup, so you have
Because
to
I
have
drank it all.
strawberry. Yeah, she did.
I drank
She drank it all.
I drank it, like, without the milk.
Okay, so if you take and just lift up the corner,
I can't.
put your finger on the bread. Yeah, lift it up.
It's not cooked.
No.
So you have to wait how long?
I don't know, that's cooked. Do you eat your grilled cheese with ketchup?
Sometimes.
Ooh, you know what you should have put on it? Was a little bit of salt and pepper.
I
On the
hate
cheese.
that.
Do you?
Yeah.
That's the best. It makes the cheese better.
No, it doesn't. My mom did that and it was gross.
Oh, really? How about Parmesan? Do you like putting Parmesan cheese on it? You know, it's another good way to
I went
make.
to this place and they made they made grilled cheese and it had 7 different kinds of cheese on it. And it was all over, like, it was like...
And one of them was Parmesan, I bet.
It was.
Yeah.
It was, so like, there was like extra cheese coming off, and it was like dry and crunchy. It was so good though.
Oh, I
And it was
bet.
on top of it too. It was like so much cheese.
That would be the best. I love grilled cheese is one of my most favorite. I gotta fix my hair.
I broke it.
No, you didn't. It's
I
good.
broke it again. I broke it again.
Oh. Hmm. Okay. I think you should flip it.
Okay, I don't know.
Okay, put your finger on it. Yep. Yep. Now turn it over. There you go.
That was bad.
And now we're going to turn it down just a tad. So we're closer to medium. And here it's sizzle, because you know the pan is hot. I got to find it. Where is it? Why can't I find it? Okay.
You know what's good? You
What's
can
good?
Open this, and you can set the phone right here to see down. We can do that after when we're cutting it and putting
Oh.
ketchup.
Yeah. You going to have ketchup?
Yeah.
Gonna get a plate?
Oh, that's not done yet.
No.
It's not even done.
Takes a while.
I like it when the cheese is like melted.
Yes. That's why I always put extra cheese in it. 2 wouldn't have been enough for me. And get the ketchup. Not my favorite. That's why I salt and pepper it, because I don't like ketchup very much. And French's, the best ketchup in the world, Canadian tomatoes, made by a Canadian company.
Oh yeah. It's actually
And bottled in, see, you can see on there, it says bottled in Canada with 100% Canadian tomatoes right there.
the
I'm a
thing
little
is
crazy
that,
about that.
Like on YouTube, there's not many Canadian YouTubers. I only know one. I already know of one, but I don't even watch her. Oh, that's
There you go, it's
burned.
perfect. Okay,
Um,
I turned it off, it's just steam, that's why I moved that. So put that in there.
don't touch it.
Oh, grab your knife.
This is a knife.
Yeah, it's got a sharp edge.
It's on, Alma.
Oh, it is. Well, I never turned it off.
You said it. Turn
Okay.
it off.
There you go, she's gonna cut it.
I'm gonna do it this way.
Look at that, perfectly golden brown.
That's golden.
I've never been.
Here.
At some point in time, I changed. I can't remember. I must have been in my 40s. And I got sick and tired of getting to work dog-ass tired.
I don't know if that's gonna work. Why don't you just let me hold it?
Because you're too shaky.
Oh,
There, that works.
okay. Would you like a bigger knife?
Yes, please. So I'm gonna cut it in half.
How about this one?
Hi, look at that crazy.
How about that knife?
Holy man.
Well, if you're gonna go big,
Night shifts,
go big.
2 o'clock in the afternoon, you wake up, anxiety for the next 4 hours.
I hate it when you cut it off and it like breaks it. My cousin Lyric has like, I don't know, is it a pet peeve or is it like a disease?
What?
When like,
Oh, the chewing. It's kind of a. It's not a pet peeve. It's kind of like a.
I know.
Yeah, I guess kind of. I don't know. I don't know what it's called.
my cousin Lyric, he, like, when we eat supper together, like sometimes I'll come over and we'll all eat supper. And he cannot, like, he has to go eat by himself downstairs. Like, he cannot eat with us just because if we chew our food with our mouth open, he'll freak out. He cannot stand it. I don't know why.
Chewing sounds. He can't take it. They drive him crazy.
So,
Even at home, he can't.
no, yeah. So, basically, he would not like eating ASMR, if you know what that is.
It's like an eating disorder, a hearing disorder, or something.
A hearing disorder, he can hear fine.
Well, yeah, you can hear too good.
Too good.
Who knows? Okay, so now let's have the first bite.
Okay, I'm just gonna have it. But I never got no cheese.
Yeah.
That's really good.
All right.
Sound plays
So-
on the phone, or-
Yep, I put my headphones on and it's.
So she's done eating. Then you know what? We need you to like us, subscribe to
And
us,
comment down below.
and comment down below so we can come back with more.
Did they say anything about like
Wait.
driving you to get it back?
I gotta tell them what
Okay.
they should comment down below.
Your red light.
Okay.
Comment down below if you like grilled cheese.
10 minutes tops.
All
See,
right.
when I went to Winnipeg,
So-
to my counselor, when I.
Peace out.
Stuff like that.